In this video, we will discuss how you can add WooCommerce product as a grid within Contract Form 7 and how also you can show a specific product or show multiple product option within Contract Form 7. Let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure all these 4 plugins are enabled. A link of a video should pop up by now to show how to install these plugins. Now, let's go to Ultimate Addons, all addons, and look for Woo. Here, we will enable the product drop-down Pro. So even we're skipping the WooCommerce checkout for now. We will show it on a different video. Now let's go ahead and add new form. Here we copy this. Now we replace this email field in the product drop-down. So here we can make this a required field. And we have these options: multiple product selection, display total of selected product price. We can show this. We can show by product by ID, category, and tag. So if you want to show a specific product with ID, you can add it here. Let me show you how. So if we go to WooCommerce product, you'll see this ID number if you hover over the product. So this is 296, 298. So here we can add 296, 298. So we are showing specific product. And for drop down, you can use the default on or select to or grid view. So we are showing select to for this one first. And let's save. Now let's go ahead and see our form. As you can see, we have only these 2 products here. Now let's add another product, which is 303. No, let me show you something else. So we can show now by category, and we can show this specific category, and we can make it a grid view. Insert. So now, as you can see, we have the product with these categories, and we have a grid view of the product. Similarly, there are other options, like let's say we add the multiple selection, and we show it by category again. And we can make it select to and insert. For multiple products, I would recommend you select to for user experience purposes. So here we have select to, and as you can see, these 2 products are selected. So that's how you add the option of adding 2 multiple products on the drop-down. Now, if you need your user to check out based on these 2 products after they submit, please check our WooCommerce checkout video. A link of that video should pop up by now. That's basically it. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.